the name of my company, that is Tayo Teachers. And before starting the presentation, before starting to tell you about Tayo Teachers, I wanted to tell you about me, what I am doing, and what my experiences are. So basically, I've completed my engineering from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College from AC department, which is in Ahmedabad at the Government Engineering College. And I am in teaching background from the first year of my college. So it's been around 5 years when to teaching in this teaching industry. So I totally understand the schools, study materials, and the mentality of students and everything in education. So I have taught more than 500 students till now, and I'm quite class 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The reason behind why I'm sharing with you, because my idea or my startup is working for the class 8, 9, 10, and 12 students. I was also NSS coordinator in my college, and where I have done lots of various events, social cause events, and I have come with Election Commission of India, Airport Authority of in Airport Ahmedabad.
Yeah, carry on, Suraj. I'm listening.
Yeah. So now talking about problem, what is the problem? So basically, in class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 students, so there is no personalized test series in the market. If I'm talking about big giants like Byju's, Vedantu, or an academy, they don't have that kind of personalized analysis, that kind of test series in which we are working. So basically, students are suffering from not getting proper mentors and don't know how to do analysis of test or exam. So no one is focusing on the learning of students. Everyone wants result, but they don't know how to do analysis of the test. And another thing is, students who are preparing for JEE, NEET, JEE, NEET exams. All these are competitive exams for medical and engineering entrance exams. So basically, they are facing lots of doubts. Right, so there is no such doubt solving things in the market which only solve the doubts of students, because there are lots of coaching institutes and online, offline, everything is there, but students are suffering from doubt solving. They are not able to solve the doubts. So these two things where we are working. So the first one is test series. Test series is something, this would be India's first ever personalized test series for class 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12 students. And another thing would be online live classes. So now, talking about, I need to erase this actually. Once, how much time I have got from your side?
Sir, only 5 minutes.
Once, are you there?
Huh? Only 5 minutes, sir. Please.
Only 5 minutes. Okay. So basically, sir, we are using artificial intelligence, and we are trying to do the personalized analysis. So live test would be there, analysis would be there. In analysis, basically scorecard, all India rank, time chart, number of correct question, number of incorrect question. Again, in number of correct question or in number of incorrect question, text solution would be there, solution would be there, and in a solution would be there in the form of video. So whiteboard, we are actually using whiteboard animation videos and a 3D or 2D animation videos. Right. So this is the product demo what we have prepared. And our major USP would be personalized analysis and whiteboard 3D and 2D animation videos. The length of these videos would be not more than 5 minutes, because we are making the videos which would be dedicated to one single topic. So the length is very small. Now talking about market size. So basically, for class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 category, there are 40 million students in India, and this is basically our market size. So this is a slide which actually indicating competitive advantages. Now I want to compare with the Byju's, Unacademy, Vedantu, and Ellen like stands who are already there in the market. So basically, test series they all have. Byju's has, Unacademy has, Vedantu has, Ellen has, Akash has. Even dedicated tests they have report card. They actually generate the report card which will go directly to the parents. All India rank, more or less they actually provide. Now the major benefit what we are doing, what we have and they don't have, that is time spent in one question. So let's suppose if there are 30 questions in a test, so we are actually giving time for each question. So basically students will get to know how much time they have spent to solve one question, not one paper or not one subject. Now weak topics, so we are actually providing weak topics of each question, and text solution would be there, and everyone has this. Videographic solution is something again, we are only providing topic wise solutions, topic wise explanation video and question video, guide by animation question video. And live class feature would be there, and topic explanation video would be there. Nobody has these two, especially these four things: weak topics, weak topics, time spent in one question, videographic solution, and topic explanation. Now this is the slide of future possibility. So due to this pandemic, we are actually saying online education is actually already in peak. So online tests and online exams will be there in future. So that's why I have added this slide. So we have a time limitation. So I want to show my business model directly to you, and our business model would be, we will actually charge only we will actually charge per month or per annum basis, and the amount would be less than a Netflix subscription price. So it would be around 500 rupees per month and 4,000 rupees per annum, and 2 test paper in every month for the students. And in the analysis, we will give the report card. We are actually giving videographic solution of question as well as topic explanation, and we are also providing live class feature as well. So this is our simple business thing. And now talking about our team, so these are the 3 pillars of my team, of our team. Myself, Nisarg Trivedi, who is handling everything about technical, and Parth Mupanna, who is handling everything about digital marketing, social media marketing. Now we have validated our idea. We have actually developed MVP to prove that our idea is something people are actually accepting. So we have validated from 30 students from a school. So the feedback is here. I have a test with this. And now how much amount I want to raise? That is around 32 lakhs to create the content. We have actually already created the software. We have created algorithm and everything. Around 15 team members. We are total 15 people in my team. So we are raising fund only to create content, only to create videos. So this is the capital budget. In the year of 2021, we are targeting to complete our product, our content development, and we are looking to launch our product. And if we will be having 1,000 students, then around 35 lakhs investment would be there for the development, and the ROI would be around 40 lakhs. And if I am taking 500 rupees for like marketing, or 500 rupees per student for marketing for sales, then 50 lakhs would be investment and 4 CR would be ROI. And when this number will increases, then ROI would be gradually increases, actually exponentially increases. So this is the, what we are, how much amount we want per month, and what are the deliverables. That's it, sir. Is there any question, sir?
I need to understand, first of all, is this portal-based, URL-based software, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so wanted to understand, if I can get the URL, I need to test how is the functionality and how is the UI, basically, to feel that, how different you are from already the players like Topper and Vedantu and all.
Vedantu, correct. So sir,
right.
I can show you the demonstration, like how actually students will get, how they will actually experience everything we have created for the investor, for the investment purpose. So if I will get time with you, a separate time with you, then definitely I'll explain it to you.
Sure, I'll talk to these guys and let you know.
Sure. Is there anything else that you want to ask?
Also, what is your vision to this? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years with, doing the same thing what you're doing right now? Mm-hmm. Let's say, if you get an initial investment, what is the next step? How exactly you are going to make sure that students actually come to your site or your coaching, online coaching instead of others? Because I am sure others are doing a lot of things.
Correct. So, sir, basically, let me clear one thing because it should be very much clear. We don't want to become Byju's. We don't want to become Vedantu or Alan or Akash. We actually want to become something else, and that is, let's suppose if there are few students who are studying in anywhere, school, coaching, Byju's, Vedantu, doesn't matter. But for the personalized analysis, for the test analysis, for the report card, they will have to come on our platform. So this is our initial 2 years planning, and after that we will actually enter into e-learning segment. Actually, I have also created that 5 years plan for the investors. So again, I will say, if I will get your separate time, then I will explain you in a better way.
Sure. We'll get in touch again, because there is a lot of things which I require before.
Correct.
Need to understand a lot of things in terms of finance. Technology that you're using, and also the ROI plans, how you have done that, and what is your strategy towards the marketing.
Correct, sir. Correct, yeah.
Okay, sir.
So
Now we can.
once, so please connect with me to the sir, and sure, sir, if you will be having any time in this week or to tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then please connect and I will explain you further in a better way.
Sure,
And I will
sure.
actually I will actually explain everything on a remote server. We have created our website on remote server. It is not live yet. Especially these things.
So you're doing it by your own. The development is done by you.
So I as I have mentioned now, we have actually 15 people in my team. Right. So there are few interns, and we have 3 people who are actually in core team. Me, myself, and Nisarg Trivedi, who is handling this technical thing, and Parth Makona, who is handling digital marketing and social media.
Okay.
Yeah.
So coding and everything is done by you guys.
Yeah, correct. Everything is in-house. We are not using any third-party things. We are not using at all.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
So
you.
you can log out.